What's up, my little writers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's how you also become an official low rider. You guys, excuse me. This is Vlogmas, and my videos are not gonna be long form. Maybe 5 minutes, or maybe 10 minutes, or maybe 15, maybe 20, but nothing over 20. Because I really have nothing to upload every single day. But today I was just out and about. I had to go and get the paperwork for my car so I can get it registered on DMV. Did I tell you guys I got a new car? A new car. And just rode around a little bit. I went to this Korean barbecue place. And this is the short rib. What is it?
Hawaiian.
Oh, it's Hawaiian.
Korean was last night.
Oh, but this is Hawaiian. Korean was last night. Oh, this is Hawaiian barbecue called H&H. And this is their fish. And they give you macaroni salad that is not seasoned. That tastes like straight mayonnaise. And then they give you rice. Their rice is good though. But today they didn't give me the usual teriyaki sauce that they give with it. So I had to put some honey and some what is that stuff called? Teriyaki sauce. The teriyaki sauce wasn't really sweet either. But I'm kind of full. My son got 2 meals. This is the fish that came with it, but their fish is highly breaded, so.
Highly breaded. This is all the shit that came in. All that bread in this.
Wait, let me see.
Shit.
The shrimp looked like it was big. Look at all the bread that came off the shrimp. Wow. And look at the shrimp. We'll put it down somewhere. Look at how turkey to the top. Look how little that is. That's crazy.
You getting breaded up.
You pay for bread. I'll never get their fish. Never. They must pat it down real flat. Beat it.
Stand on it.
Do something. But you got, I can show you guys something else too. I was getting ready to just dispute a charge on my, with my bank. And this is something, I think I ordered it off of TikTok or Facebook. This was Facebook for sure. Got the 2 pieces. It's for your laptop. Look at that. And then it comes with this piece too. And this is what you put your laptop in. And you put that in the bag. Isn't that cute? And then I also got a cup that stirs itself. That's over there, and I'm not getting up. You guys will probably see me use it sometime next week. But yeah, I don't really have. I have some topics coming up, or vlogs that I'm gonna do. But that's for next week. If you guys have any ideas of what you guys would like to see me do, or something. I ain't gonna do everything now. But yeah. Put this in my thing. Put that over there. I am done with this for now. I ain't gotta cook dinner. I'll put that up. This week went by pretty quick, guys, to me. I told my son, it's time to put the trash cans out again. He thought I was hinting. No, but Friday came quickly because we put them out every Friday. What else? That's it. I've been watching, who else I've been watching? Hot Beauty Budgets. And what is her? I know. Erica, what is her channel called? Drip by E. And that's a budgeting channel. That's like a cash savings channel. I've been watching Destiny and Brandon, and who else? Okay, Lily. What's that little girl name? She's not really a little girl. She's a grown woman. Her name is Zanadia. And I've been mostly watching movies on Netflix, so they got some good Christmas movies out and a lot of good movies. I haven't watched the Diddy thing yet, but I said I'm gonna watch it. Everybody keeps saying it's good. I'm gonna watch it. So that's what ruined me. I'm getting shit out of my gums. But yeah, that's it. So after I leave this kitchen and go upstairs, because I have nothing else to do today, I'm gonna go upstairs and find a movie to watch. I might come back and talk to you guys. I might. I'm just scratching you guys. I don't have, this is a glueless wig, and sometimes the lace start itching my face, which is what it just did. So yeah, I'm gonna get off here and I'll be back later on. I'll be back late enough for me to come back and chat with you guys, but early enough for me to edit this video and have it out for Vlogtober. No, for Vlogmas Day 6. So yeah, I'll see you in a few. You guys, I lied. I said I didn't have nothing else to do. And I do. I have some dishes to do. Yeah, my dishwasher was smelling horrible, y'all. When I say horrible, I mean horrible. So I got some dishwasher cleaner, and it gets the job. It gets the job for real. And you guys just wash them. It was like that because I wash my dishes and I use them as use the dishwasher as a dish rack and never run it. So I guess all that accumulated water. Got on there. And now I'm washing. I'm just gonna wash them. And I love this stuff, you guys. I'm just gonna wash them, not rinse them, and put them in the dishwasher and let it do the hottest rinse. Y'all hope these damn press on nail stains. My mom did not my floor tonight. It's not bad, but usually I mop it on either Wednesday, no, Thursdays or Saturdays. They're gonna come off, so I'm right here. Let them come off. You guys, look. One of them came off already. Told y'all. That's the cup that I told you guys that I got from TikTok. It stirs the stuff automatically. And just like that, the dishes are washed. And let me put it on rinse, rinse, rinse. Heat it dry. Start. And I never use my dishwasher. But I'm gonna start because it had my kitchen smelling like sewer from that built up water. Y'all, come on, let's close these blinds. I know it got dark in here, but I'm not staying down here to watch TV tonight. I am going up the stairs. I'll turn the tree on though. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. There we go. Just like that. It's plugged up. Got the dishes done. Close out the blinds. Turn the Christmas tree on. Y'all, I'm about to go upstairs and open the mail. I did not know you was out there. Anyway, I'm done with that. And I'll see you guys upstairs. Okay, my lords, I got all my stuff done. Dishes done. Everything is clean on the upstairs. Candle lit. Still some lights on in here. Watching TV. That's Chelsea Janae. And I'm going to watch a little bit of YouTube. And then I'm going to go take my bath and go to sleep. Thanks for watching. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And if you made it all the way through the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, the like button, and also that little bell that jingles. And that's how you get alert every time I upload a video, and also how you become an official low rider. Okay, you guys, see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.